Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will tell you about the volume button problem in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move to our today's video topic. If your volume button is not working, you can solve this issue by the way as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve your volume button problem in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. Let's watch the video.